Let's make this pan chicken with sweet potatoes and rosemary. Oh, we're gonna put a little maple syrup on it and some garlic. This is super easy. It's inexpensive. Oh, very nice. Let's make this. By the way, if you haven't subbed and you sub and you turn on that notification button, I really, really appreciate it. Let's do this. All right, let's get our sweet potato ready for our pan. I have 3, as you can see here. I just washed them really well. I'm gonna take off all the little impurities here, little stems. And as you can see, I cut off the ends of both sides. And we're gonna slice these in wedges. Kind of like that. We are going to chop some rosemary leaves for our sweet potato and our chicken. I love the smell of rosemary. Oh. All right, and we'll just chop it up. Let's call that a tablespoon of rosemary. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle some oil on our sweet potatoes. You can use olive oil. I'm using avocado oil, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put about half of that rosemary in here. Let's call this a half teaspoon oregano. Salt and pepper. And I'm gonna drizzle it with some real maple syrup. You can use honey if you want, or nothing, if you don't want it to have a little sweetness, okay? So I'm gonna say about a teaspoon. All right, we want all of this to get coated nicely. And we're gonna transfer it into our pan. So we're just going to arrange our sweet potatoes on it. Don't pile them up, okay? Just drizzle what I have left in here on them. Let's get our chicken ready. As you can see, I have 6 chicken thighs. They have the bone in, and I left the skin on. I did trim the excess skin from this side. So we're just gonna season with salt and pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of rosemary on it. A little bit of oregano. I'm going to press in the herbs, and I'm gonna go wash my hands so that we can do the other side. And I'm gonna do the same thing: salt, pepper, rosemary, oregano. Okay, now we're gonna put it on the pan. I'm just going to nestle these here in the middle. And finally, I'm gonna put some garlic cloves in here. I didn't peel them. We're just gonna scatter them around. This is gonna infuse everything, and then also we'll have a little bit of garlic, roasted garlic to eat with our chicken. Very yummy. All right, this is gonna go into an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It has been preheating, so it's ready. Probably for about an hour. We will check it, and when all the chicken is fully cooked and our sweet potatoes are nice and tender, it's ready. Our chicken was in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes. This smells glorious. And it's all cooked. Our potatoes are nice and soft. The chicken is cooked through. We can now serve this. Yummy. Let's taste this. Look at that nice roasted garlic there. I'm just gonna mash it. Yeah, baby. Sweet potato, super soft. Wow. Wicked flavorful. That skin is nice and crisp. Chicken is cooked and it's still moist. I love that garlic. Wow, that's really good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.